How to track recipes in MyFitnesspal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the MyFitnesspal app on your device. Here you have the option of recipes and meal. Under recipes, you can find all of your saved recipes. This can be imported from online or also entered manually, which can be your homemade recipes. Now, if you have consumed one of your recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner or snacks and you want to track that, all you have to do is tap on the diary option, then scroll down and you can find different categories such as breakfast, lunch, dinner. If you want to track your dinner, tap on the Add Food option under the Dinner section. Now here you can either search for a food, or if you want to track a recipe, you want to tap on the My Recipes option. Then from here you can find a list of your recipes. You can also tap on Create a Recipe if you want to enter a new one. If you want to enter the existing one, tap on the plus icon next to the recipe that you want to track. Once you do that, if you head back, you can see that your recipe has been successfully tracked on the MyFitnessPal app. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.